Okay, so thinking about rhythms for scale practice. So shall we increase your scales to 3 octaves? I think we sort of maybe mentioned it with grade 5 in view. So I've sent you a couple of different sheets with rhythms on. The first one, I don't know if you can see this one, putting everything off the piano, this one here. So these 2 rhythms, which is marked D, would fit 3 octaves. It says for 3 octaves anyway, you can see that. The others you could use, but they don't quite fit so well. So those 2 definitely. And then out of this sheet here, the ones I've ticked will work, particularly the first one and the last one. The other ones, 3, 4, 6 and 7, they do work, but they don't finish on the accent on the top of the scale, so you have to be careful. They're a little bit more difficult, and you just have to even off the end of the scale as well. It doesn't quite fit right to the end. Okay, so I'll take a scale for each of those rhythms just for the moment. All right, I'm not looking at the grade 5 list, I'm just picking straightforward scales. So I'm going to do the first one. That's sort of just the first one in the D extract there, and I'm going to do it in C major. So 1, 2, 3 octaves. That should be 3 octaves. So it's quaver, semiquavers, quaver, semiquavers. Okay, then I'll do D major with the rhythm, it's just reversed. Those 2. Then going to the other sheet, I won't do the dotted one because you know that well enough. So I'll look at number 3, 2 quavers, 2 semiquavers. So this won't quite work out. I'll do it on E major. So I just had to do 3 straight notes to finish, and the top of the rhythm, or the bottom of the first note of the rhythm really, didn't hit the top note. I can't remember which one it did hit. Let's just work that out. So the accent comes there really. All right, so it's not quite so straightforward. The other one, number 4, is a reverse of that. I'll do that in F major. So again, the top doesn't quite work out, the accent doesn't come on the F, so you have to watch out for that. Just got to keep the rhythm going and the scale going and not try and stop. Then number 6 is 2 lots of 3 really, because a dotted quaver is the same as 3 semiquavers. So I'm going to count 3 on that and those 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then the next one is just reversed again. So where I'm up to, I could do G major on this one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on like that. Again, just straighten out the end. So that one and probably the next one is particularly, because it's quite a stop-start rhythm, where the note stops and it accents, that's when it's a real test of your fingering, because we automatically want to put our thumb wherever we have an accent. But obviously it doesn't always fall on the thumb. It can fall on any combination of fingers. So a bit of a test, that one. I'll do the next one on A. Still just in view. Okay, so 3 first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then the very last one is really just a variation of number 1. It's a dotted rhythm, then straight quavers. So I'll do B, I'll start below another octave, I think. with that, like the dotted rhythm, you need to keep it quite tight. Dum, ba, bum, bum. Almost like a double dotted quaver, which you can get, which would turn that into a demi-semi-quaver. All right, so it's dum, da, dum, 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 double dotting. Okay, so that's your scales and your rhythms.